This is the level 2 origami bird, and this one is a sparrow. It has a lot of personalization. I think it's pretty easy, but it does take a lot of concentration. Good luck, have fun. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial.
First, we're gonna fold in half. Next, we're gonna fold in half again. Now we're gonna fold in half one more time. Now we're gonna collapse it. Make sure that this part here is sharp fold that we just made. That's a little weird, but try me. Now we're done with the base.
I'm sorry, I made a tiny mistake right here. I accidentally forgot to do the fold that helps you make that fold easier. So you can just unfold it and do that, then refold it. Okay, so from here on out, it's mostly personalizations. I'm going to show you what I like to do. First, I like to fold the wings down just like this. Most of the personalization is just folding the wings, to be honest. The wings make the sparrow. I like to fold these up just to make it seem a little more aerodynamic. By the way, this is the bottom side, just so you guys know. To fold the head, you simply fold in and fold out, and then you shape the head. I'll do that later. Notice how the wings look ugly? Don't worry, I'm gonna try to fix that. Right after fold the tail, which is simply fold them out just like how I do it. Make sure it's even. You can just cut that out. Kind of struggled making it even right here. I'm sure you guys got it. You can just shape the head by shoving your finger into its freaking skull. And then you can shape the bottom too. Shape the beak by pinching it if you want. Good job on folding this beautiful bird. Level 3, 4, and 5 will be coming up probably next time this week. If you want to make a last time adjustment, you can fold the head in to make it look more like a head. Have a good one. I love y'all.